This is the elevator at the Cheetah hunt at Busch Gardens in Tampa Bay, Florida. This is ThyssenKrupp Oildraulic or Enduro, I think Oildraulic with a Signa 4 Mad BS red. Ooh, red, interesting. Rather loose. 2-speed door hospital size cap. This is mainly used for wheelchairs. Pushed in. Vandal resistant. I think these have been replaced themselves last year, but I'm not so sure. Well, 2 is used for disabled access. Here you go up. Just hope there's no right side on the top so I can go back down. Basic hospital size cap, just in case I'm not able to go back down. We got like vinyl tile or something like that. Sounds weird in here. Back down to 1. Not going to do the bell trick. 88 phone. Their certificate. Interesting how this is building. Bit worn out. Oops, sorry. Cab view again. Back at 1. Pretty quick to level.
So we have a
That's it.